Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, and I'm going to show you a really quick trick that you can use for any occasion, but I'm doing this for your St. Patrick's Day party table. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire, lay it down into my mini Bowdabra, and I'm just going to tuck the ends underneath. Then I'm going to take my two pieces of gleam ribbon. One is gold and one is green. And I'm just going to scrunch these down into my mini Bowdabra. So I'm basically just making a scrunchy bow that we're going to turn into a scrunchy flower. This is really super simple. And it also is great for ornaments and, pretty much anything. And you can use this with a wider ribbon or a thinner ribbon. And I'm just going to tuck that under there and take my mini Bowdabra wand and give everything a really good scrunch. Then I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, pull it through my slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in the mini Bowdabra, pull it out. I'm going to separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and I'm just going to cheat and just turn it because with our Bowdabra bow wire, you just have to turn. So now what I'm going to do is make a little flower by pulling apart my ribbons. So I have my gold and I have my green, and all I'm going to do is go all the way around and just pull everything apart. So it separates it and turns it into a cute little flower. And just keep going. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll get notifications of every new video we have. And the same thing, if you follow us on Facebook, then you'll know every time that we go live or we have a new premiere video out. So we're just going to keep pulling this apart. And now you have a cute little flower that's great for your table. And if you just take a bunch of these and scatter them around your table or around your appetizers, it's a great, easy way to decorate.